Hey guys, I'm coming at you with the Tideway blow dryer. It has the magnetic end that you can pop on and off. All right, it has multi-functions. This is low, this is high. It has different colors. It changes. So as you do heat, there's red, there's green if it's cool, there's purple that is hot and cold and it switches out. Super nice. You guys can unscrew this and you can clean all that off if you need to. But yes, this is the Tideway. It is currently 5:02 my time. 5:03 now. We're gonna see how long this takes. All right, you guys, so it's dry, super fast. It usually takes me, I've cut my hair off, so usually it'll take me about 15 minutes with it being shorter. So yeah, I will take that over having to stand in there longer and making my arms tighter. So go check it out, guys. I have it tagged below.